Can I see?
Isaac, why are you making such funny noises? Do you have a bad cough? Let's hear your cough. Ooh, let's hear it again. No, make it cough. There's that bark. The seal barking. Poor kid. Good thing you're having fun with your cough. Are you a donkey? He likes the noises. The donkey. I hope you get to feeling better.
Yep. No more donkey.
We went from a seal barking this morning, now we're a donkey.
Two animals living inside in your body. A donkey and a seal.
What? Well, he's in good spirits for being sick.